are not bigger than the program. God will not be mocked. I am sure that everyone knows of this training story, but Ublu Mbombo, guys, I used to love her. Now, for those that are not aware of Ublu anymore, Blue was on Big Brother many years ago, and that was her initial claim to fame. And then she rebranded after Big Brother Titans. But guys, please correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, but I think there was a time where she was a reality TV star as well, when she appeared on 1 or 2 seasons of Disky Divas, and this was back then on Mzansi Magic, if I'm not mistaken. Although Blue did not win Big Brother Titans, guys, her fan base grew. She grew, I think she got like to 1 point something million on Instagram. And by the way, we're going to get into why she's no longer on Instagram, because now the story is trending that she was dealing with an entire married man. This married man who even forced her to have abortions, guys. Let's get into the affidavit that was trending on Ublu and Utebogo. This is part 1. Submitted at Randburg Magistrates Court, revealing that she suffered physical abuse and financial abuse at the hands of her very married boyfriend, Dobogo, PO Africa Consulting Engineering. Blue Mbombo reveals that she entered into a romantic relationship with the highly married Dobogo in 2019. Blue Mbombo also reveals that Dobogo Nokwane, who has been drumming her throughout the relationship, had initially lied about his relationship status. As it turns out, as much as they were seeing each other, Dobogo Nokwane was in another relationship with Riebetwe, of which in 2024 the pair entered into a civil marriage. Blue reveals that her married boyfriend Dobogo forced her into having 2 abortions in 2020 and 2023. Blue Mbombo and her financially abusive boyfriend Dobogo started dating in 2019 and quickly fell pregnant. That was to be their first child in August 2020, had Blue not been threatened and forced to have an abortion by Dobogo. In 2021, Blue fell pregnant again and kept the baby. In 2023, Blue, who is forever pregnant, fell pregnant again, and Dobogo, who is married, had enough of Blue Mbombo's forever pregnant ass, manipulated her into having an abortion again. Blue had allegedly submitted screenshots of the conversation regarding the abortions as evidence that she was manipulated into doing it. The father of her children, guys, Dobogo, had turned around and called the mother of his children, "You are a WHORE tant. I made a mistake thinking you are a good woman." Guys, it's a lot. You are more than welcome to go read it for yourselves, Mara. Yo, he even married the loser ex while in a relationship with her. That alone is a clear crystal message. Blue is in her late or mid-30s. She's been on the spotlight for over a decade. I know I sound judgmental, but she knew what she was doing. She's not an 18-year-old immature kid who was taken advantage of. At some point, we need to think about the situations we bring kids into and stop thinking about money and vacations. Blue Mbombo's baby daddy, a proper narcissist, not shocking he used to have locks giving DL vibes. This will make you realize social media is a lie. I always thought she got it all together. Also, why are you not condomizing or using contraceptives? She is not a victim of anything. These are the results of the life she chose. I would rather sleep in a shack and live a normal life than chase the bag like this. He is eating good and that money is long. Judging Dobogo's very wealthy background, guys, he has money. He can afford those children. Hi.